Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we're talking about some good curbside deals today over at Walgreens, including dollar detergent, which I love. Basically, you hit that blue button for pickup, you order this stuff through your desktop computer or cell phone or tablet, opt for the pickup, and that is called a curbside pickup. Very easy to follow. I know a lot of you prefer to shop this way, so let's get to. Okay, so the first deal, you need your best friend loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 25. Hopefully you still have it, but it's Monday, so I'm sure a lot of you still have it. We're going to be grabbing 12 of these laundry care products by P&G. They are 4 for $9. It's the Tide Simply Pods, the scent boosters, the smaller one, the Downy fabric softener, and then there's a Bounce dryer sheet. So there's like 5 products that you potentially could throw into your basket. They're with this promotion of spend 20, get back 5. So you will accomplish that once, as the 12 products is $27, so you will hit that once. If Walgreens per se cancels your order or says, we don't have some of this stuff in stock, just cancel your entire order because you really need this one to go perfectly for you. Guys, looking at this, $27 for the 12 laundry care products. Curbside pickup is free. We have our tax. With your debit card, pay the $28.62. I know that's a lot out of pocket. And then you're getting back $15. If we're not factoring in tax, guys, it's like $12 for the 12 items or $1 per item, which is really terrific. If you can line this up, if you have the booster and your store has at least 12 of those products, I would definitely pull the trigger on this deal because this is extreme couponing at its finest and just a tremendous deal. This can only be done curbside, as the 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G products is a curbside offer only. It is not available in store. The next deal that we have is deal number 2. We are going to load our best friend, which is 10 back when you spend 25. Pick and choose how you want to use this because this is of a one-time use, this booster. We're going to be grabbing 3 of the Schick shavers at $6.99. So that gets us past that $20 mark. These are the digital coupons that we need loaded, which is a 3 off of 1. This appeared yesterday. And then we have a 4 off of 2. And the promotion with Schick is to spend 20, get back 5. And I know a lot of you love the Schick razors. So make sure you have all that loaded. And then just to throw in one of these, the Dawn Power Wash for $4.99. And then we have a $2 digital that is attaching with. So why not? So looking at the overall basket, guys, we have a total of $25.96. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. $9 in coupons melting off, which is always really nice to see. So with your debit card, pay $18.52. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using that spend booster. And then basically you're getting back $15.25 in Walgreens cash, which is really fantastic. So it just makes this basket just winning on all angles. You know, if you're looking for some of these razors and you love the Dawn Power Wash, it's just a perfect blend. I think it's a really smart deal. So this is one I would definitely do if I wasn't so obsessed with laundry products. I would definitely be doing this one. And the final deal that I have for you guys, again, we need our best friend because this is how you can really maximize your money this week with this specific booster. And if you're a curbside shopper, you know what I'm talking about. So have it loaded. And for our basket, we're going to be grabbing one of the Downy Rinse Laundry Remover Softeners for $7. And then one of the scent beads for $10.99. Have the following digital coupons loaded. That is the $2 off. And then also have this guy loaded, which is the 3 off for the scent beads. I think there's a couple other different scents. If you don't like what I chose for the basket, just grab whatever's attaching with these 2 digitals. We're also going to throw in one of these Dawn Power Washes. Why not? I think you know where I'm going with this one. Spend 20, get back 5 in P&G products. And then have this handy dandy digital loaded as well. Why not? The final product to get us to 25, we're going to grab a Walgreens brand Epsom salt for $4.99. If you need a nice bubble bath after a day of running around, this is the item to grab. And then we have this $1.50 digital, so make sure you have it loaded. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, guys, your subtotal is $27.97. Curbside pickup is free. $1.68 in tax, $8.50 in digital coupons melting off. So with your debit card, you're paying $21.15 and getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using that booster, but this is just a neat and tidy little deal. If you can't track down those 12 laundry products that are also on sale and you just want to get in on something else, this potentially could be a deal for you. Before I take off, guys, in case you are just not a curbside shopper, you are more comfortable shopping in store, I made a video yesterday just kind of walking through some cool shampoo deals, a little bit of this, a little bit of that with Register Rewards. Register Rewards are in store only. You might want to check this out. I did a triple stack as well, and then I moonwalked out of the store. So check out this video if you wish. I'll link it right here. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.